Hello my friends, today is Wednesday, October 14, and now it is about 7 AM London time. And today we will discuss four main FX pairs, which is EURUSD, Pound USD, Aussie and USD Canadian. So let's get started. Talking of Euro, we see that we created a bull trap when the day before yesterday we were trying to bounce off this daily level. We tried it, but yesterday we failed, and failed very hard. So imagine everyone who went long off of this green level, off of this very obvious green level, they are now on the back foot. And the easiest trade I can suggest for today, and I will personally play, is something like this. So we sell around this win low, put a stop 14 pips away, and we have a target of around 48 pips. But maybe if we continue to create some highs over here, we might decrease our target like this, in case it acts as a tough treble area. Also, my feeling is that the move to the downside is not over, because as I told you, many people are trapped, and first of all I would be looking to take away this swing low, a lot of liquidity over here, and very possibly we will see a move down here. The average to range in EURUSD now is 66 pips, and to reach the lower level it is only 43 pips, so it is very likely we will do it today, and maybe even lower, no problem. So one play for EURUSD is this one, and another one, if we continue to break lower, if we close H1 under this swing low, I will be glad to go short, like something like that, something like this. Okay, so this is also a high probability trade. Now Pound USD, the cable, it is a very similar picture over here, but the trap is even bigger, because there were two daily swing highs, and therefore a lot of people are trapped again. So the very obvious trade we are having is to sell this pullback. You know, if we get back to 3007, we could sell, and we could be targeting for a new low, maybe even lower. And to be honest with you, it would be the best case scenario, but I'm not sure we will be able to catch it, because to do this we would have to go up 100 pips, and the ATR in Pound USD 112 pips, 11 pips. So it would be quite a huge extent, and it would take us like whole day to get up there, but if we do get there, it's a no-brainer. Secondly, we might try to sell a pullback if we get just as far as here, sorry, but we will need to look for the price action, what develops around this level, because I know many traders went long off of these highs, and now they are on the back foot and seeking to close their position, at least for break even. So we might see some selling pressure over here, and also faking out of these highs, we could go even lower. Also, it is the same situation as in EURUSD, and if we continue to break lower, I will be very happy to sell pullback to here. When I'm telling you about this idea, what I'm saying is, if we break lower and pull back, here is when we will be supposed to sell. Okay, something like that. Only here we enter, not earlier, not later, just when we come back and test the area from underneath. This is what we do. Same in EURUSD. Okay, we I need to add brush to my favorites. Okay, so if we break below and come back for a retest from underneath, we sell right here in this point and target the next level to the downside. Now Aussie. In Aussie, you can have an example of the trade I'm offering to you in pound and euro. In Aussie, it was a huge daily level, okay, which was broken again, and it has already been retested from underneath. I was thinking to sell this area, this level exactly yesterday, and I had an order in, but unfortunately I pulled it because the EURUSD and cable did not confirm the idea. You know, they were looking like bullish. In fact, at that time, pound had just printed an engulfing candle like this. Okay, so I thought, alright, we are supposed to take out this high on pound, and euro also looked quite bullish. Yes, here. So I thought that Aussie will not be able to push lower, but we see the dollar has strengthened and managed to get us lower. So again, we have a bias for short, and my play right here would be well, one of the following. First, if we if we close below this green line, we will sell a pullback. Okay, again to this area, very high probability trade. Yeah, maybe if we fake out of these highs and create something like an engulfing candle to the downside, we could also market sell and dive in right there. Alright, USD Canadian. USD Canadian is inversely correlated to the pairs we just discussed, and and it sort of created a bear trap for bears, whereas we tried to close below this swing lows, and we did it 2 times in a row, but yesterday we closed higher, and my play for today is the following. We are looking to close above this swing high and looking for to go higher, to say here. So if we close above this and do something like that, we will buy right here, and we could be targeting here or maybe this high, whichever we create before. So this is it. Thank you very much and have a good day. It was Alex, and now it is 7:06 London time. Bye bye.